In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Mailchimp. Setting up this connection is a crucial step if you want to seamlessly integrate your domain with Mailchimp's powerful email marketing tools. It might sound technical at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step in the process. So let's jump right in. We start by navigating to Mailchimp's homepage, which can be accessed through the familiar web link. No matter what you're working on, it all starts here. Once you're on the home page and logged into your account, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu that features your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and proceed to select Account and Billing. It's right there in the menu and gives you access to all things related to your account settings and financial details. Next, from the Account and Billing section, I want you to focus on the option labeled Settings. Under the Settings category, you'll find an option called Domains. This is the place where you can manage all domain-related tasks, including connecting your domain from Hostinger. Within the Domains section, you'll notice the Connect a Domain button. Click on this button to start the process of linking your Hostinger domain to Mailchimp. This is essentially the critical action that allows you to utilize your domain for your Mailchimp activities, making your emails appear more professional and brand consistent. Keep in mind that before you proceed any further, Mailchimp requires you to be subscribed to the website's core plan, which is priced at $10 a month as of now. This plan is essential because it provides you with the necessary functionality to connect and manage domains. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set the stage for a successful domain connection between Hostinger and Mailchimp. By linking your domain, you're paving the way for more polished, professional email marketing campaigns. It's a small yet vital component of optimizing your digital marketing strategy. Remember, if at any point during this process you feel lost, you can always return to this video for clarity or explore Mailchimp's help resources for more guidance. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope you found these instructions straightforward and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more videos where we explore other aspects of digital marketing tools and how they can help you achieve your goals. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy emailing.